Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I make some medium well steaks. This recipe includes 2 3-ounce fillets, garlic cloves, rosemary, salt, pepper, butter, and olive oil. Before cooking the steak, let's start off by removing them from the fridge 30 to 40 minutes prior to cooking, then pat dry them using paper towels to remove any excess water. Now pour a touch of olive oil on both steaks and give them a nice rub. And the bacon that you see on the steaks is the part that gives these steaks good flavor. Now season your steaks heavily with salt and pepper on each side. Before you do anything, be sure to turn the stove to high heat and place the cast iron skillet on it. And once you seasoned your steaks, give them a nice rub. Now that the pan is smoking, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan and place your steaks in the pan and let them sear without moving them for about 2 to 3 minutes. This will create a nice crust. Now that 2 minutes have passed, flip the fillets and sear the other sides for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now reduce the heat to medium-low and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 cloves of garlic, and rosemary. Adding rosemary is optional, but I like to add that to enhance the flavor with its aromatic and slightly piney taste. Once you've added those ingredients to the pan, tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to give these steaks a butter bath. Now use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. For medium well steak, you want it to be around 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let the steaks rest for 5 minutes. This will allow the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Also, if you're wondering how to say medium well steak in Spanish, it's bistec terminó 3/4. Alright, it's time to chow down. I'll try it and I won't cap. This is pretty good actually. It's not bad. It's a little chewy, but I love the taste. I prefer eating medium rare steaks, but today I want to do something different. And if you want to cook medium rare steaks, don't do the same thing I did. Once you flip them, add the butter with the aromatics and check the temp to make sure it's at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't get me wrong, but this steak goes really well with the mashed potatoes and mushrooms. And I can really taste the bacon. It gave this steak an extra flavor. I would show you the other steak, but my dad just had to eat it right away. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!